lecture we will discuss about hub and switch. These are the contents of the lecture, that is networking device, types of networking device, hub, types of hubs, switch, types of switches, comparison of hub and switch. Network devices are components used to connect computers or other electronic devices together so that they can share files or resources like printers or fax machines. These are different networking devices like hub, switch, gateway, bridge, router and repeaters. Hub. A hub is a common connection point for devices in a network. Hubs are commonly used to connect segments of a LAN. A hub contains multiple ports. When a packet arrives at one port, it is copied to other ports so that all segments of the LAN can see all the packets. This process is also called the mirroring. It is a physical level layer device and also called the layer 1 device. It is a dummy device. It works with zeros and 1 and works with broadcasting. It uses the concept of shared bandwidth and it has one broadcast domain and one collision domain. Collisions are identified using the access method called CSMA-CD and CSMA-CA, which we have already discussed in the last lecture. Broadcast domain and collision domain. What are broadcast domain? Broadcast domains are set of all devices that receive broadcast frames originating from any device within the set. Collision domains. The collision domains are in Ethernet the network area within which frames that have collided are propagated is called a collision domain. Repeaters and hub propagates collisions while LAN switches, bridges and routers do not propagate the collision further. Types of hubs. Hubs are categorized in three types, that is active hub, passive hub and intelligent hub. Active hub uses supply and regenerates the data, that is strengthens the signal in case of disturbance. Passive hub does not use power supply and it will not regenerate the data, that is strengthen the signal in case of disturbance. It is used only to share the physical media. Intelligent hubs are sometimes called as smart hub. These devices basically function as active hub but also include a microprocessor chip and diagnostic capabilities and are useful in troubleshooting situation. These are the configuration of hub, in which hub is a central unit which is controlling different systems. Switch. A network switch, also called switching hub, bridging hub or officially a MAC bridge, is a computer networking device that connects devices together on a computer network by using packet switching to receive, process and forward data to destination device. It is a data link layer device, that is layer 2 device. It is an intelligent device. It works with physical address, that is MAC address. It works with fixed bandwidth and it works with flooding and unicast. It has one broadcast domain and number of collision domain depending on the number of ports. It maintains the MAC address table, which is also called the lookup table. Types of switches. Switches are categorized in two types, that is manageable switches and unmanageable switches. On a manageable switch, an IP address can be assigned and configuration can be made because it has a console port. Unmanageable switch. On an unmanageable switch, configurations cannot be made and IP address cannot be assigned as there is no console port. This is the configuration of network switch, and here is the comparison table between the hub and the switch. Comparison is done depending on these parameters like layer. If we talk about the layer, then hub is a physical layer device or layer 1 device, while switch is a data link layer device or network, that is layer 2 device. If we talk about device type, then hub is a passive device, that is without software, and switch is an active device, that is with software. Table. A network hub cannot learn or store the MAC address, while a network switch stores the MAC address in a lookup table. If we talk about transmission mode, then hub uses half duplex mode and switch uses the full duplex mode. If we talk about broadcast domain, then hub has one broadcast domain, switch also have the one broadcast domain. While collision domain, hub have single collision domain, while switch have multiple collision domain depending on the number of ports. This is all about the hub and switches. Thank you.